Here we have a 2017 Rogue Sport SL model, all-wheel drive, magnetic black in color, aluminum alloy wheels, power everything, windows, door locks, and seats, leather interior. Several functions available on the steering wheel, including Bluetooth and radio. Eco mode, all-wheel drive lock option, and vehicle dynamic control. Beautiful 7-inch color display. Dual temperature controls. Auxiliary output. Heat warming seats on both sides, passenger and driver, and a spacious back seat that can fit 3 comfortably or 2 with a cup holder in the middle.